Afternoon folks, Mick here from Sagittarian Outdoor Adventures, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Aksoul camping mattress, so stay tuned. So this is the Aksoul camping mattress. Now who is Aksoul? Well, Aksoul is a company that basically specialise on sleeping mattresses. If you take a look at their website, they have all kinds of mattresses, different thicknesses, ones with built-in pillows, double ones where you've got two singles and you can clip them together. They've got a whole variety of mattresses, so just go over there and take a look. And the best thing is they're affordable. So straight off the bat, there's one thing I noticed about this mattress, and it's a stuff sack. Now we've all been in a scenario when we've been up on a hill, it's windy, you're just getting your tent sorted, and then you get your mat out, you put the stuff sack down, and best part of the time them stuff sacks are green or black. The wind blows it a few feet away, and next thing you know, you're looking around, you can't see it, because that stuff sack is camouflaged in with the scenario of the area. So straight off the bat, if this blows away several feet, you're going to spot it straight away. So one little feature that I like. Now the pack size of this is 3.9 inches by 11 inches, and it weighs just under a kilo. So let's get into it and have a look what we have. Whoop. Now straight off the bat, you have a warranty, which they guarantee a long warranty for these. You have another pamphlet for instructions. Put them over there. You have a band that keeps it all neat and rolled up. And as you can see, the length of this mattress is huge. Now in this one you can see it's got the buttons where if you had another mat you can clip them together, so if you're sleeping with your partner or your children you can be close to each other. Now the feature of this mat is self-inflating. You've got like a foot pump, so what we're going to do is we're going to inflate it and then check out the specs. Now if you've been hiking through rough terrain, through wet grass, puddles, mud, the last thing you want to do is have to take your boot off to inflate this mattress. But with this unique built-in pump, you can quite easily inflate this mattress using the palm of your hand. Another good reason for having a built-in pump like this one is that you don't have to use your mouth to breathe into the mattress to inflate it, which prevents moisture getting inside the mattress, causing bacteria and mildew. Now the material is 40D ripstop nylon with a TPU coating. The thickness when inflated is 3.1 inches, the overall length is 77 inches and width is 24 inches, and it also has a built-in pillow. It only took me roughly 55 seconds to fully inflate this mattress. So there you have, nice thick mattress. Now the question we all want to know, is it comfortable? Oh. And the answer is yes. Yes, it's quite comfortable. I'm a side sleep the best part of the time, so I sleep like this. The pillow Pillow's comfortable, and I can't feel my ribs touching the ground or my shoulders. I feel as though I'm supported all the way through my body. Yeah, it's really comfortable. Yes. Normally, what I usually do is, see some of my kit like my coat, I tuck one underneath here so the pillow is a little bit higher, just for that extra support with my neck. But this is very, very comfortable, this. Oh, yes. And the good thing is, if you listen, that noise is the plastic top underneath. But some mats, when you move about on them, it's like sleeping on a crisp packet. You know, you get there. But this has no noise whatsoever. Oh. Spot on. So, what's the pros and the cons? Well, I've tested this mattress out in different scenarios. I've used it in my car, on my sleeping platform in the back. I've used it in the woods camping, and I can't really find any faults really. I suppose there is one thing that I don't like, is the width. My arms would fall off if I was sleeping, you know, and if it's, you know, cold floor and things like that. But apart from that, it's spot on. The length's great, you know. But to be honest, I'm a side sleeper. So with me being a side sleeper, as you can see, I've got plenty of room. Deflating the mattress achieved by opening this valve here, squeezing out the air, and packing away is reversal of unpacking. Simply fold, roll up, and put in the stuff sack. Well then folks, what did you think? That was the Aksoul inflatable camper mattress. Leave a comment down below and tell us what you think of that mattress. To be honest, I think it's a brilliant piece of kit and I'll be using it on my outings. So what I'll do as well is I'll put a link to their website below in the description. Head over to their website, check them out. Honestly, they have a massive range of sleeping pads, inflatable mattresses, all at affordable price. And if anything catches your eye and takes your fancy, just remember the code Sagittarian Outdoor 30 off and you will get a 30% discount. So that's it from me folks. I'm going to head off into the wilderness and head off home. So you take care folks, and I'll see you very soon in another one. Take care.